The turtle roll is a useful technique for getting through large whitewater waves that are too strong to do the push-through technique. Longboards and foamboards provide a lot of flotation, which is great for beginners and learning, but they make it nearly impossible to sink the board underwater for a duck dive. Using the turtle roll helps you stay in control of your board and prevents you from being pushed too far back by the whitewater. 1. Flipping upside down. Start your turtle roll about 2 meters before the whitewater reaches you. To do this, grip the rails near your chest, take a deep breath, and flip yourself and your board upside down. 2. Positioning underwater. Once submerged, keep some space between your body and the board. Your arms should remain slightly bent and your head should not be too close to the board. The nose of your surfboard must stay sealed to the water. There should be no gap between the board surface and the water. As the white water moves over you, stay calm and wait for it to pass. 3. Stay perpendicular. Your board must be exactly perpendicular to the wave when the white water reaches you. Even a small angle can disrupt the turtle roll, causing the wave to knock the board out of your hands. To get back on your board, turn it on its edge and press down on the rail to sink it under you. Sliding your hand closer to the tail makes it easier to submerge the board. Use a frog kick with your legs to help push yourself back up. Common mistakes. 1. Not keeping your board sealed to the water. If the nose lifts out of the water, you'll lose control when the white water hits. 2. Failing to stay perpendicular to the wave. If the wave strikes the side of your board, it will knock it away from you. 3. Keeping your arms too stiff. Locked arms don't absorb impact well, making it harder to hold onto your board. 4. Flipping too late. If you're still in the process of turning upside down when the white water arrives, the wave can rip the board from your grip. Flip about 2 meters before the wave reaches you and ensure your board stays sealed to the water and perfectly perpendicular.
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We've got 100 more lessons just like this, from pop-ups to barrel riding. Link to the full written guide is in the description. See you in the next one.